Bagpipes and bottom burps, a Scottish symphony. In bonny Scotland high and proud, where kilts are worn and bagpipes loud, a laddie named Percy, small but spry, could toot so fierce he'd lift and fly. He lived near Loch Ness, in a cosy wee shack, with a sheep named Hamish on his back. He played the pipes with cheeks so red, but when he farted, the sheeps fled. His granny warned, "Now Percy, please, you near win hearts with backside breeze." But Percy grinned, "I've got my art, a bagpipe blend, a bum-powered fart." One Highland Games, the day was bleak, his haggis dry and athletes weak. When came a cry, "The wind is dead, we can't toss cables without a thread." So Percy stepped into the ring, a windy hero with pipes to bring. He puffed his cheeks, prepared to pose, then let it rip from down below's. The combo played a harmony that shook the glade. The wind came back, the kilts did flap. One old man flew clean off the map. He cleared the field with rear and grace, a gusty gale in every place. The cabers soared, the crowd all cheered, and Percy blushed, his sheep just jeered. The chieftain wept by Nessie's scales, "You've filled our land with farting gales." And so they built on Castle Craig a shrine to Percy, wind and plague. Now every parade ends with pride, as bagpipes and bum noise coincide. They dance, they cheer, they let a rip, and Percy leads with a sonic zip. So if you hear near hills so steep a note that sounds like bagpipes weep, it might be just our windy friend still blowing strong from both ends.